Discussed some general problems related to maxima and minima. Now this is a practical general question. In this we have to calculate two numbers and their sum is 24 and product is maximum. Here how we will be applying maxima minima. Now let the first number is equals to x, because we do not know both the numbers, so we assume that the first number is x. So then what will be the second number? Of course it will be 24 minus x, as it has been given that their sum is 24. So second number will be 24 minus x. Now another clue has been given, their product is maximum. Product means multiplication. So our function becomes x first number into second number, multiplying the second number, and we have to calculate the maxima value. So if we have to go with the maxima and minima, what else we can do is we can open these brackets first to easy down the calculations. It will be like this. So in the first method, I am applying here the first method. So we have to take the derivative. Derivative of this will be 24 minus 2x. The next step is putting the derivative is equals to 0. So 24 minus 2x is equals to 0. From here the value of x will be calculated, that is 24 minus 2 is equals to 12 is the value. Now this value we will be putting in a rederivative, as I am applying the first method. So I am going to take the rederivative. So rederivative of the derivative, its rederivative will be 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. So this value we need not put. Also from here we can see it is a negative value, therefore we can say it is the maximum value. Already it has been given in the question that product is maximum, so it is going to be our maxima value. Now how to find the value? You know that we will be putting this into our equation. So this is our first number, x we have calculated 12, so value is x is equals to 12. So the second number will be 24 minus 12, that will also be 12. So this is both the numbers we have calculated. So this is a very general problem related to maxima and minima. Let us see some more examples. This is yet another question. Here we have been given find two numbers whose sum is 26 and sum of squares is minimum. So like the previous question, what we will do is let our first number be x. So what will be our second number? As their sum has been given 26, so second number will be 26 minus x. So how the function y will be created? From the second clue, sum of squares is minimum. Sum of squares means first number square plus second number's square. Sum means we have to add and square them as well. So from here we created the y function. Before taking the derivative and proceeding with the first method of maxima minima, let us open this bracket, x square, a minus b whole square, it will be 26 square plus x square minus 2ab. So minus 2 into 26 into x, it will be minus 52x. So here also let us take the square and just fill the value. When you will take the square of 26, it comes out to be 676. Now we can add these x square will be 2x square minus 52x plus 676. Now moving ahead with the first method, we are required to take the derivative. Derivative of 2x square is 4x minus 52. So it will be the derivative. Now our next thing is to put the derivative is equals to 0. So 4x minus 52 is equals to 0. From here we will be getting the value 52, positive 52 divided by 4. That comes out to be 13. So now whether it is a maxima value or a minima value, we can see by taking the rederivative du square y. Taking this rederivative we will be getting 4. Now it is a positive value, so it shows that it is the minimum value. In the question also it was given that sum of squares is minimum, so it is the minimum value. So first answer, first number we have got x is equals to 13, and the second number will be 26 minus 13, that is again 13. Now in this another question we have been given, we have to calculate two numbers whose product is 36. When product is 36, here if we let the first number to be equal to x, so what will be the second number? As their product is 36, the second number will be 36 divided by x. And how this function y will be created? It says that their sum should be minimum. So simply we will have to take the sum of these numbers. So before taking the derivative, we can say that this is x plus 36, x power minus 1. So now if we take the derivative of x will be 1 and it will be minus 36x power minus 2, or we can say 1 minus 36 divided by x power 2. Now the next step is to put this derivative is equals to 0. So 1 minus 36 by x square is equals to 0. Let us take the LCM. It will be x square minus 36 is equals to 0. So by cross multiplying, x square minus 36 is equals to 0. It will be of no use. So x square will be 36 and ultimately its under root will be 6. So from here we can again take the rederivative and just see it will be minima only, because the value will be of rederivative will be in positive and it will be minima. From here we have got the first answer, that is x is equal to c, the first number. This has been given. The second number will be 36 by 6, again 6. So both the numbers will be calculated.